Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's great to be here with you.
Hi Mark, how are you today?
I'm feeling great today. The weather is nice, and I feel happy. What about you, Sarah?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm excited because today's topic is very useful.
Yes, it's a very helpful topic for everyone learning English. So, what are we talking about?
Today, we are sharing easy tips for a better English student life.
I like that. Easy and fun tips, not difficult ones.
Exactly. That's what Quick English Talk is all about.
Before we begin, we have a small request.
Yes, please like this video, subscribe to Quick English Talk, and share it with your friends.
Sharing helps everyone learn. Thank you.
Tip 1. A good study place. Let's start with tip number 1. Have a special place to study.
A special place? Like what?
Just a simple place, like a table or a desk.
So, not studying on the bed.
Yes, the bed is for sleeping. A table helps your brain focus.
That makes sense. What should we keep there?
Keep your book, notebook, and pen ready.
So, no need to get up again and again.
Exactly. And one more thing, it should be quiet.
No TV, no loud noise.
Yes, a quiet place helps you learn better.
Tip 2. Study time. What's the second tip?
Have a fixed study time.
Like a daily schedule?
Yes, for example, study every day at 4 p.m.
Does it need to be long?
No, just 15 to 20 minutes is enough.
Only 15 minutes?
Yes, small daily practice is better than long, rare study.
That's easy to follow.
Tip 3. Make it fun. Tip number 3. Make learning fun.
How can we do that?
Use colorful pens in your notebook.
Nice. I like colors.
You can also listen to English songs.
And maybe sing along.
Yes, even if your singing is not perfect.
What about watching cartoons?
Great idea. Cartoons use simple English.
And games?
Yes, English games and apps are very helpful.
Tip 4. Be patient. What's next?
Be patient and don't fear mistakes.
Many students worry about mistakes.
But mistakes help you learn.
That's true.
Learning takes time. Go step by step.
So, don't be shy. Just try.
Yes, practice speaking and writing without fear.
Tip 5. Use a notebook. Tip number 5.
Use a notebook just for English.
What should we write?
Write new words and simple sentences.
For example,
if the word is happy, write, I am happy.
That helps remember better.
You can also draw small pictures.
That sounds fun.
Your notebook becomes your personal dictionary.
Tip 6. Practice daily. What's the next tip?
Practice a little every day.
Like what?
Learn one new word daily.
That's easy.
Or change your phone language to English.
Oh, that's smart.
Even saying good morning in English helps.
Small steps every day.
Yes, small drops make a big result.
Tip 7. Find a study friend. Final tip.
Find a study friend.
That sounds fun.
You can practice together.
Ask simple questions and talk.
Yes, and help each other learn.
It makes learning less scary.
And more enjoyable.
Team English.
Yes, Team English. Quick review. Let's quickly review.
1. Have a quiet study place. 2. Set a daily study time. 3. Make learning fun. 4. Be patient and accept mistakes. 5. Use a notebook. 6. Practice every day. 7. Study with a friend.
Closing. These tips will help you become a happy English learner.
Not perfect, just happy and consistent.
Thank you for listening to Quick English Talk.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And tell us your favorite tip in the comments.
Keep practicing and enjoy learning.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.